What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This one's going to be kind of short, but what I'm doing today is I'm going to show you guys how I permanently restore my headlights when they're starting to get really foggy or yellow and start looking bad. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. All right, so I'm going to be using the CG6 Accord for this because these headlights are terrible. So we're going to be turning these headlights into something like this. So let me show you guys how I did it and show you guys how it looks like when it's done. I mean, obviously you can see that one there, but yeah, we'll show you how I do this. All right, so the way that I do this is I like to sand it, wet sand it, and then and pretty much just clear coat it, right? But the sandpaper that I'm using is using wet sandpaper 800 and 1000. Now you could use different sandpapers, but this is just what I had on hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wet this down. This is some degreaser that help get some of the yellowing off there, because the yellowing on this headlight are terrible. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sand this. Now I know that I know that there's a lot of videos on how to restore headlights. I know there's some that use the bug spray to get them cleaned up, and it works temporarily. But I want to get these headlights permanently clean, so I don't have to keep using bug spray or ultimate compound. So I'm just gonna sand this with the 800 grit first, obviously. Also help get all that yellow stuff off of there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is pretty grimy. All right, now I'm going to switch over to the 1000. All right, now that I've got them, I guess, in a decent spot, I'm going to go ahead and clean them up. I'm just going to use some Lysol all-purpose cleaner. And then just go ahead and wipe them down. Great. Now I'm gonna use just some regular like rubbing alcohol and just wipe down the lens. Now probably won't record this, but I'm gonna tape off all around the headlights, and then I'll pick up the camera when I'm done. All right, so I've got everything taped off. Here's the clear coat I'm using. Just some Walmart cheap Rust-Oleum gloss clear. I'm gonna do a light coat on the first pass. Kind of mist it on. Then I'll wait about 10 minutes and give it another coat. All right, guys, it's been about 10 minutes. Coming back for the second coat. I'm just gonna do 3. This one I'll go a little bit heavier, but not too heavy. Give that one about another 10-15 minutes. Come back for the third and last coat. All right, guys, third and final coat. Okay, let that sit and dry for a minute. Then I'll go ahead and take the tape off before it fully dries. All right, let's go ahead and take this tape off and see. Well, I mean, you guys can see how it looks now, but let's get this tape off. All right, guys, well, there you have it. They did come out a little hazy. If you wanted to make them shine and make them pop, make them look better, you can always sand them down and buff them. But for me, they look good. I mean, definitely look a lot better. So anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.